Good morning, everyone. Bridget here. Today it's just going to be a very quick video, and it's nothing but rum balls for Christmas. And you could use your leftover cake, or just use plum cake or seed cake or any cake that you have at home to make the rum balls. You can also add in crushed biscuits also to make rum balls. But today I'm going to make with the fruit cake. This is around 500 grams of fruit cake. What you have to do is you have to break up the cake very finely into good fine crumbs. And once we do this, then we'll mix in all the other ingredients. And so our cake crumbs are ready. We just crumpled up the cake. Now to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rum, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rum. You can add more if you like. Now, if you don't want to use the dark rum, no problem. You can always use white rum. I'm using the Bacardi. So, just going to add in 3 tablespoons of rum. Okay? Because the cake is already boozy, it already has a lot of rum in it while soaking. So I don't want to add any more. And then to this, I'm going to add some corn syrup, like 3 tablespoons of corn syrup to bind it all together. Actually, what you could do is, instead of corn syrup, you could always use any jam or condensed milk. Anything that would help you to bind your rum balls together. So, I'm going to add in like 3 tablespoons of this. So you could add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk or jam or corn syrup or anything else that would help you to bind the... Now the fun starts, where we mix all this together. The mixture should not be too loose, because then it's very difficult for us to form balls or truffles, whatever. So you need not only use your plum cake, you could also use any other cake, your ribbon cake or marble cake or even chocolate cake, and make it into truffles or rum balls. So these are nothing but cake truffles with rum. That's why they are known as rum balls. So we've sort of mixed it all together, and the mixture is quite firm. Suppose your mixture is a little loose, then what you can do is leave it in the fridge for like half an hour to get firm, and then you form it into balls. Now, once the rum balls are ready, we just roll it in icing sugar so that it helps to bind the balls, and then you could decorate either with the desiccated coconut or with sprinkles. So as you can see, it's quite firm now. We'll be able to make our balls. so this is the consistency that we would like to have. So now, in order to bind it together, I'm going to add in some icing sugar. Okay. And so you could make them like whatever size you like. Mostly they are around the size of a ping pong ball. Okay. So if we use icing sugar, it helps to keep the balls firm. Okay, so one is ready. Even kids would love to make the rum balls. So you continue like this till you complete your whole whatever you have. So now we've got we formed all the rum balls. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it in icing sugar, and for some of them I'll roll them in desiccated coconut. So you just roll some of them in desiccated coconut and icing sugar. I'll put this here so you'll be able to see. So likewise we continue like this, and if you like, you could also roll them in sprinkles. So half I'm going to make as rolling in desiccated coconut, and the other half I'm going to roll in sprinkles. Okay. Or you could roll them in cocoa powder. So they get a chocolate coating. See? So the choice is yours. You could use them, you could roll in anything that you like, either desiccated coconut or cocoa powder. And here you have a selection of rum balls where I've used sprinkles on some. Some I've rolled in cocoa powder, and these I've rolled in desiccated coconut. You could use whatever you like, and this is the basic way of making our rum balls. It's nothing very fancy. You just crumble your cake. You add either condensed milk or corn syrup to bind it, and of course you can use either white rum or dark rum to make your balls. Then the choice is yours of rolling it in whatever you like to cover it. So this is just a very simple and a short video today to make rum balls for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I did bringing it to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video. And I wish you all a very, very happy Christmas and an awesome New Year. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.